Now see, our next requirement is to prepare income and expenditure account.
Yeah.
Okay, so see how I am going to prepare that income and expenditure account. Ready?
Yes.
No problem. So this is our income and expenditure account. So first I will show all the incomes, right?
Yes.
First heading will be income. Incomes and second heading will be
Expenditure.
expenditures. So first income, I will take subscription. To see all the incomes, I need to see the receipts, right?
Yeah.
So subscription. And subscription account we prepared. And how much amount did I transfer to the in the income and expenditure account? $19,080, right?
Yeah.
So that amount I have to show here.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now competition receipts are there and competition prices are also there, right?
Yes.
So there are two ways to deal with these two items. Either show receipts in the income heading and prices we will show under head expenditure. First option. Otherwise, what you do, from receipt 7,300 subtract the prices cost 4,100, na?
Yeah.
So that will be the profit from competition 3,200. Clear?
Yeah.
So that you can show under head income, profit from competition. The profit from competition, how I got that? Receipt is this much and competition prices are 4,100, right?
Yeah.
So
we can. So if we're gonna use this method, we also have to write the working. Otherwise, we won't get
yes,
it.
this working we have to show.
Okay.
Now same case with the dinner dance also. Now what is the receipt from dinner dance? Ticket sale. We sold the tickets. How much
Dinner
money?
done 6,500
What
minus
is the cost?
6,200.
So profit is how much? 300, na?
Yeah.
Profit from dinner dance.
Dinner dance.
Okay, and that profit is how much? 300, right?
Yeah.
And we can show that working. That receipt is 6,500 and cost was 6,200. So finally we got profit. I hope understood.
Yeah.
Okay. Then now I hope incomes are done. Now come to the expenditure. Expenditure, competition price is already taken. Dinner dance already taken. Now we have equipment. Equipment is an asset, right?
Yeah.
So I will take depreciation. Depreciation on equipment. How to find that depreciation? Tell me. What is the opening value of equipment on
Opening
1st Jan?
value 2,300.
23,000, right? Now during the year I purchase equipment, na how much? 12,000, na?
Yeah.
Payment you see. I brought the equipment and I paid 12,000. So total already I had 23,000 worth of equipment and 12,000 worth of equipment I purchased. So I should have equipment of 35,000 na on the last date.
Yes.
But I have on the last date only equipment of how much dollars?
30,000.
30,000. If you see here, equipment at net book value on the last day, 30,000. So 5,000 reduced, right?
Yeah.
So that is actually what? Depreciation. Clear?
Yeah.
So that working we have to show. Opening balance 23, 12,000 I purchased, and out of that now left only 30,000. So 5,000 is the depreciation. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we have general expenses. General expenses. Now tell me how to find the amount of general expenses which we need to show here in the income and expenditure account.
Okay, so
Now see, general expenses owing on the beginning date and last date, both are given, right?
yes.
Now total, how much did I pay during the year general expenses?
11,500.
So now out of this 400 belongs to previous year, na?
Yeah.
Because previous year general expenses owing was 400.
Mm-hmm.
So definitely that I paid, and that is included in this 11,500, right?
Yeah.
I have to subtract that because that amount belongs to previous year. And how much amount of general expenses which belongs to this year, but I didn't pay so far? 500, right?
Yeah.
Can you see last date general expenses?
Yes.
This belongs
That's
to this year. This 500 belongs to this year, but not paid. Not
mm-hmm.
paid means it is not included. So now we need to include it,
Yeah.
right?
So
So finally,
we
11,600 is the general expense which belongs to this year,
right.
right? So I need to show the working 11,500 I paid. Out of that, 400 belongs to previous year. So subtract, and 500 belongs to this year, but it is not paid so far. So I will add that.
Yeah.
So total general expenses I will get 11,600. Clear? Okay. And one more item I will show, that bad debts. Yes or not?
Yes. The bad debts
Bad debts.
is
How much money? $80, no?
80. Yeah.
$80. That subscription amount which we didn't receive.
Yes.
So now I will make the total of incomes first. So see what is the total of all the incomes. So total will be sum of all these figures. This much. And now what is the total expenses? Total expenditure will be sum of all these three items, three amount, this much. Now
Yeah.
let's see, income is more or expenditure?
Income. So it's a surplus.
So the difference will be known as what? Surplus.
Yes.
This is our surplus during this year.
Yeah.
I hope understood.